Minutes. Last race of the evening. We're going live in less than 5.
Ebuggy A2.
And off we go. Can Greg Harmer seal the deal? We shall see.
So Greg won the first one.
I'm not going to say a word for these first few legs. I gotta say something about that. That was the luckiest crash I've ever seen. Sometimes it just goes your way. Alright. Looking good up front. Nice start, guys. Looks like it's going to be Harmer leading him around. Drink second. Butter. Oh no, Butter spinning out. Careful. Oh God. Alright. That worked itself out. That could have been worse.
To the point.
Oh no. Harmer and Big Killer on the line. Justin Drinks to the front. One down, 9 to go. Again, the idea of double Amain is get the best combined points you can. Justin Drinks trying to do the deed right now. But his first round was a 7, so he's really not going to help himself. He would need a miracle in the numbers to work out, but we'll see.
I think Harmer already worked his way back up.
Drinks doing the best he can to minimize the damage. And a huge freight train for third. Looks like it's Harmer, then Bush, and then Chris Morris, then Cataldo. Not Cataldo from 12 to 6 right now, and then Lenz, Kovarian, Kata, then Mr. Burns, and Aiden. This track is just sick. I mean, what an awesome racetrack. Breeds some really competitive racing. It's not easy. Got to be on your toes. And Brett Butter is on his toes right now. 32-3. Butter opens up big right there, trying to catch Justin Drinks. Brett Butter was third in his first main, trying to get it done. Let's work. Working it out, guys. I know contact happens. You guys know what to do. Here comes Butter stalking Justin. Justin says, I can do this all day, though. 2:30 on, 7:30 to go. He held off Treff, and he held off those guys like Burns and Black for the better part of 45 minutes. Until a sweet plane out took him out of it. Oh, no! Traction roll out of Butter. Drops him off the bank. He hangs on a second. Here comes Bush. The Bushmeister, unfortunately, he was 9th in that first race, so really not any favors. Really didn't do himself any favors there. But again, these guys are in damage control mode. 7 minutes left. Greg Harmer right now in that 5th spot. He needs to get back up there if he wants to win the overall. Right now, Brett Butter has it, but it is awfully tight. I mean, these guys are not giving in here. The points right now are 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. I mean, if anybody has a shot here, it's wide open. And it changes every time they change position, too. Leader will be approaching Aiden Manchanda. I know Aiden knows what he's doing. Oh, no, Drinks all by himself, nosing it in. Bush has to go a little wide to avoid Carlos. He does take second from Butter, though. Bush trying to play spoiler. Drinks, Bush, Butter, and Harmer. Here comes Greggy Harmer, trying to secure it. He won that first main. Now he wants to just get a nice solid podium. He's got 3 in hand right now. And Butter puts all the pressure on Drinks. Right now, Butter needs this spot if he wants the overall. And Harmer wants to take it away from both of them. Leave no doubt. Leaders to the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. These guys are absolutely on it right now. Drinks, Butter, Harmer, Bush, Comarian up the pit. Ophir having himself a heck of a run. He wasn't even going to race this run, but he is there now. Top 2 tight. Oh, Butter sending it in their crossover, trying to psych out Drinks. He needs this spot. This is for the win. 5:15 to go. Drinks is tough as nails, but that kid has ice in his veins. 2/10 of a second between our top two drivers. Harmer is third. Harmer has the overall right now. If he stays there and Butter cannot get by Drinks.
5 minutes left.
You heard him, 5 down, 5 to go. 5 minutes to determine your Ebuggy winner from Trains and Lanes. I'm watching him coming down the back. Looks like they're still holding serve. Drinks again tough. He is not folding under the pressure. 32 flat, new fast lap for Drinks. That's the hot lap of the race. Oh, I didn't see it, but a little mistake. I spoke too soon and Butter takes it over, but here comes Justin ripping those tight lines. It is not going to be an easy battle here for Brett Butter. I would highly doubt that Butter will just leave him. Drinks knows when to turn it up when he needs to. Butter nice and smooth. Drinks a little bit wider, not too bad. As those guys make their way to the front straightaway. Brett Butter in the overall position right now. The tiebreaker is this second main. Butter, Drinks, Harmer, my top three.
4 minutes left.
The Harmer needs a miracle right now. Oh, of course, there's the miracle. He has a spectacular pass on the front. Watch the front rhythm, front rhythm. It's all clear. There's not enough room where it's not going to lose him a spot. Morris 5, Kata 6, Burns 7, Ophir 8. Looks like Lenz in the 9th spot. Colton had himself a heck of a day, man. Colton, you drove the wheels off it. 88. Manchanda in 10. But again, we are watching Butter and Drinks. Not to sound mean, but I don't care about the rest of you guys right now. This is Butter and Drinks and Harmer to see who wants to win it all in Ebuggy. Brooks still fourth. He's being chased by Morris and Kata. I heard a no, that's not good.
Brett Butter gonna pump it
Is
too.
he off the bank? Oh,
That's
no.
gonna let Drinks go to the
That's really
point.
bad. He's all the way down on the bottom. That's a terrible
Huge mistake for
Well,
Butter.
it worked, but that could have been
Now
even
Drinks
worse.
has a commanding lead.
Justin Drinks to the lead, and Greg Harmer to second. And that might just take the wind out of the sails. It's not over yet, but that is a definitely deflating incident there. So Harmer trying to stay in front of Butter. He's playing defense. I don't think Harmer cares at all about the win right now. He cares about staying right there. Right there. And Butter is going to do everything he can to run him back down, but it still won't be enough. Butter needs more help. 7 down, 2:20 to go. Justin Drinks trying to take it down, and he wins the 4th overall. Oh, Harmer in trouble on the wheel, and Butter in big trouble. Butter just completely missed it. So 8 down, 2 to go.
2 minutes left.
It's gonna be, let's see here. Drinks, Harmer, and Butter still should be my top 3, but it will be close. And Butter fell off the back just a little bit. Leader again, smooth as Butter.
Here's Harmer
issues there.
in the 2.
Justin Drinks
Butter
out
in the
front of
3.
Harmer by 6.4. And Butter about 3.5 off. Manchanda lap down. Great battle for fourth between Bush and Kata. Kata unfortunately not having the Ebuggy races he wants, but still looking at 3rd overall if he can finish right there. Give himself a little more money. 8:40 down, 1:20 to go. Morris making a little mistake by the telephone pole. No real harm done though. Drinks 33-6. Looking like a longer lap for Harmer. So again, Greg Harmer in the overall spot. He does not need the win. He will win by a pretty convincing 3 points. Oh, Kata had the pass fade on Bush and he blows it. Watch the front rhythm, guys. Front rhythm, watch out. Clear. All right, 50 seconds to go. TNL500 winding down. Remember, guys, stick around for your cash prizes. I'll put out a copy of the results for Mr. Cruz. 40 seconds left. Justin. I think he'll go one more. It's going to be close, but I think Justin will get one more. Harmer's going to have to hurry if he wants
Butter
it.
gonna dump it. It's gonna leave
Butter,
more of a
unfortunately,
gap.
coming unraveled here. Bush up to 3rd. Butter
Here
4th,
is
Burns
Harmer
5th.
in the 2.
Kata way down. Something happened there.
Drinks
Kata in
one.
6th, Morris 7th. And Manchanda in 9. Then Manchanda lap down. White flag waving for Justin Drinks. White flag. And it should be also for Harmer. Keep going, Greg. You got one more chance out of it. Justin Drinks has been tough as nails this whole time. And Amain goes when you cross your done. Butter trying to secure third over Bush, and he will. Burns sneak up in there, and a fourth is going to come across. Third Butter, fourth Burns, fifth Bush.
Ryan Hunt.
Out of 6. And here they come, final corners, guys. Justin Drinks will win this second main. Should put him third. We'll see how it settles out here.
Here's the man right here.
It's not going to matter a bit, though. How about your overall winner, Greg Harmer Jr., Ebuggy winner at the TNL500. Congratulations, Mr. Harmer.
All drivers are finished.
With a 1 and a 2, you get the job done. Harmer, Butter, Drinks, Cotta, Morris, Manchanda, Burns, Bush, Kalarian, Risser, Lenz, and Cataldo.